Hello, buenos dias, guten tag, bonjour, buongiorno, and sabah al khair. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. We are on Monday, November 16, 2020. Share market seems to be happy. Dow Jones is at all-time high. Federal Reserve is happily buying government bonds and in this way is keeping liquidity of the financial institutions of the world. But we are still away from euphoria. Not everyone is convinced yet to invest life savings in shares. So we probably still have to wait for the final spikes of the market. In the meantime, the confidence in US dollar is slowly decreasing because the volume of dollar injected into the markets does not correspond to the value of goods and services produced, and even more than that, the amount of dollars pumped into the markets lost any relation with the real economy. It's a very dangerous mixture for a global economy, and I'm sure one day we'll all have to pay for this. And it will be really painful, I'm telling you. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a simple method how in a few steps you can find future dates of the market swings or local market tops and bottoms using a very simple tool everyone has an access to. So let's start the rock and roll. If you want to know when the next swing of the market occurs, you don't need to know how to use complicated formulas to calculate these dates, which you can learn on my private online tutorials over the Skype. The details on my private coaching you can find just sending an inquiry to the email address below this video. But to do it in a simpler way, to find the swing points of the market, the only thing you need to do is you have to spot previous tops and bottoms and project it in such a way I'll show you right now. So I'm on daily Euro USD chart and here we go. Okay, let me change this one, find the empty chart. So we've got Euro USD daily chart over here is at the moment. That's the situation we've got. Let me show you how you can do it in much easier way than calculating in this complicated formula. So let's zoom it in a little bit. First thing we have to do, we have to spot some important tops and bottoms in the past, because as W.D. Gann said, the future is nothing but the repetition of the past. So we've got the top here on 9th of March, we got the bottom here on 23rd of March 2020, and we've got another top here, which is 10th of June 2020. Let's draw some lines and let's try to find what we can do with that. That's the first line, and that's the second line. If you don't know how to do it, if you are not familiar with MT4, so this line, when you double click it, you right click, go to Trendline Properties, and here you've got a ray. So when you check it, it will go endlessly, and if you uncheck this ray box, you will have the straight line just ending over where you want. So we got two lines. Well, let's zoom it out a little bit. So what we've got over here. So as you know, the future we don't know what's gonna happen here, but we know that the future is the repetition of the past. So we got the past here. Let's repeat it. So what I do is this way. I double click this line. Let me show you. It's double clicked. I press the Control button and drag this line over here just to make a figure. And the same story is with the longer line. Okay, let's do first this thing. Let's mark this point at the end of this line. And you see it shows exactly a reversal point, the first one. Let's go further. Okay. So this one is just completion of our figure. It looks like that. So that's beautiful. I love it. Next things first. Okay, so we got determined this point. Let's copy it further. Okay, let's move it for a while. Let's copy it further. Look at this candle. So we got with this line. Again, press Ctrl and drag this line to the top over here. Okay, we've got another one, and the same story we do with this one. Press Ctrl and drag the line here. Whoa! It shows something. What I want to show you now, again, we're repeating Ctrl, we do it this way, and it's showing us something here, okay? Let's drag, where was this line? Let's get it back over here. And we can also drag this one. We got two lovely geometrical figures which are showing us something. Let's draw some more lines. One over here in this corner. Boom. We've got a point when the market was supposed to reverse. It did, but it was a local correction only because this long upswing. What happened next? We got the next one over here in this corner. It's showing us the bottom of this downswing. Next one. Let's do it this way. We've got another swing from here. So, okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. So again, we copy this one. Double click, drag it, and over here we are. And the next one over here, and here we are. In this way, you can also determine this one, this point, which was very top over here. And what else? We can copy this one, press Ctrl again, drag this line over here. In the corner, you put the line, and shows you potential reversal point of the market, 27th of December 2020. Would it be the end of the Santa Claus rally? We don't know yet, but we've got already two potential reversal points projected into the future based on the market tops and bottoms from the past. So based on this top, this bottom, and this top, we could determine this top, this small correction, this bottom, this top, and this top as well. So basically, knowing 3 points over here, we can endlessly project it into the future because the markets are cyclical. The markets go in cycles. All these swings, tops and bottoms, go in cycles. I remind you that you can also learn more advanced methods of determining these swing dates to find the confirmations, to find dynamic and static support and resistance levels on my private mentoring sessions over the Skype. It's enough to send me an email to find the details. You'll find my email address down below this video. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it will give you some clues in your trading. So take care of yourself. I'll see you next time, and bye-bye.